Hello everyone, welcome again to GIS ePathshala. So friends, today we are going to start our exercise number 5.1. Question number 1, for which of these would you use a histogram to show the data? Means a histogram we already see that is the interval based, जहाँ पे interval है 10 to 20 के बीच में कितने होने चाहिए, 20 to 30 के बीच में, 30 to 40 like this. This is the interval type, so this is called the histogram. Now let me see. First one, the numbers of the letters for the different areas in the postman. No, these are the fixed numbers. Okay, so it is not. B, the height of the competitors in the athletics. Yes, heights है तो इतने के 140 to 145 के बीच में कितने की हाइट है, 145 to 50 के बीच में कितने की हाइट है. तो लाइक दिस we can separate the heights in the different classes. Okay, we can divide the height in the different class. Now the next, see the number of cassettes produced by the company. No, it is also not. We can see that these much cassettes are produced by this company. We cannot convert it into the different classes. D, the numbers of passengers boarding the train from the 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. So yes, we can divide it into the different class. Okay, so this is the just basic questions. Now let me see from the question number 2. The shopkeeper who come to the departmental store are marked as man, woman, boy, girl. The following list given the shoppers who came during the first hour in the morning. Whenever the shop opened in first hour, this much customers visit to the stores. Means W for woman, B for boy, G for girl, and M for man. So this is the list given. So make the frequency distribution table using the tally mark. So here we have to prepare the tally mark and draw the bar graph to illustrate it. Okay, we have to make the first of all frequency table. So here I prepared the frequency table. Okay, man, woman, boy and girl frequency table. You just count it, that already we learned in the previous classes, you can know very well. So here our frequency table is ready, tally mark is ready. Now we have to draw the bar graph. Okay, so this way you have to draw the bar graph in your graph paper. Here I just roughly draw it, but you have to draw this graph into the bar graph. Okay, man, woman, boy, girl. Here I take the scale 5. Okay, so men, how many men are there? 15. So here you have to do like this, 15. Women 28, so means 25 के ऊपर आएगा something. Okay, like this. So like this you have to draw the graph by your own. Now let me move towards the question number 3. That is the question number 3 is the weekly wages in rupees of 30 workers in the factory are different workers wages, means उसकी मजदूरी दी है. So we have to make the histogram from the given table, tally marks using the, first of all we have to draw the tally marks in this question. Okay, so we will see, and the note it is given, you use the frequency 800 to 810, 810 to 820 like this. Okay, so here the graph is ready. I draw the frequency table 800 to 810, 810 to 820. So now if you, first of all you have to write down this all thing. Now let me start how to draw the frequency, how to start the tally mark. So in the textbook, first one is given, that is the 830, 835, 830. So you are confused, 830 over here also. So जहाँ पे end होता है वहाँ पे हमको नहीं लिखना है, जहाँ से 830 स्टार्ट होता है वहाँ पे हमको उसकी tally mark दिखानी है, यहाँ पे नहीं दिखानी है. अगर 810 है तो 810 हमें इसमें नहीं करना है, हमें 810 जहाँ स्टार्ट होता है वहाँ करना है. ओके, सो लास्ट हमें कंसीडर नहीं करना है, जहाँ से स्टार्टिंग होता है वह कंसीडर करना है. सो ऐसा करके मैंने पूरी टेली मार्क लिख ली और उसके फ्रीक्वेंसी लिख ली. सो टोटल 30 वेजेस इज डन. सो नाउ our question number 3 is finished. Now question number 3 is that draw the histogram from the frequency table made in the given data. So ये जो हमने डेटा वर्कर्स के वेजेस का किया उसका हमें हिस्टोग्राम बनाना है. सो we will see how to draw the histogram of this given data. Okay, ये डेटा लेना है हमें x एक्सिस पे और numbers of the worker ये हमें लेना है y एक्सिस पे. Okay, I will show you now how to draw the graph of the given data. So here is our graph. First of all, x axis and y axis. Okay, on x axis wages, on y axis numbers of worker 800, 810, 820, 830, 840, 850. Now in the tables we have to observe that 800 to 810 total 3. So 800 to 810 3, 810 to 822 workers, 820 to 830 only one worker, like this. Okay, so maximum workers are 9, 830 to 840 wages. Okay, so this way we have to draw the graph. You have to draw this graph into graph paper and attach this graph with your notebook. Okay, this way you have to draw the graph. Now from this graph we have to give the answers of the below question. Total 3 questions are there. So our first question is there. First question, which group has the maximum numbers of workers? So 830 to 840. So इसका आंसर हमें पीछे लिख देना है यहाँ पे 830 to 840 like this. Now question number 2, how many workers earn rupees 850 and more? 850 और 8 से ज़्यादा कितने वर्कर्स अर्निंग कर रहे हैं? So हमें 850 है तो हमें ये काउंट नहीं, 850 यहाँ पे है तो 850 5 काउंट नहीं करने, उससे ज़्यादा 1 + 3 4 + 1 5 + 1 6 6 + 4 10. So total 10. So पीछे हमें आंसर लिख देना है 10. Now the next question, how many workers earn less than 850? Now total, we know that total 30 workers are there. So out of 30, 10 workers earning 850 more than 850. So 30 minus 10 to 20. So 20 workers earn less than. So these all 3 questions answers you have to write down back side of your graph. Okay. Now let me move towards the question number 5. The question number 5 is that the number of hours for which students of particular class watch the television during the holiday is shown in the given graph. Okay, here one graph is given, the numbers of the student and hour watching TV, number of the student. So 4 students watching TV, 1 to 2 hour, 2 to 3 hour, 8 student. We have to give the answers of this question. For how many hours did the maximum number of students watch the TV? So maximum number of students watch the TV 4 to 5 hours. So here we have to write down 4 to 5 hours. Next, how many students watch TV less than 4 hours? Okay, less than 4 hours. 4 से कम, so means addition of all these 3. 4 plus 8, 12, 12 plus 22, 34. So total 34 students. So here we have to write down. Now the next question is given over here. How many students spend more than 5 hours in watching TV? More than 5 hours. So we have to add these 2 only. More than 5 hours. So we cannot add these 32. More than 5. So 8 and 6. So you know that 8 plus 6 is equal to 14. Okay. So here we finished our exercise number 5.5. Complete this exercise. Draw these 2 graphs. First graph is of the customer that comes to the store in the early morning, and then another graph is the wages. Okay, this is the histogram. These 2 graphs you have to draw in your graph paper and attach these 2 graphs with your notebook. Next thing is the pie chart, and that pie chart we will learn in our next video. Thank you everyone, have a nice day.